I am just one of the luckiest people you'll ever meet. I have a CardioMEMS system, which is something most people don't know about. Before I had the CardioMEMS implanted, I was having a lot of issues around not being able to breathe. I had a long period where I had heart failure that was undiagnosed. I was diagnosed as having asthma. Luckily for me, my pulmonologist knew my cardiologist, and he said, you know, there's just something not right. You're not behaving and responding like you should. And then he said, yes, I do have heart failure with preserved ejection fraction. It was a pretty devastating diagnosis because there's no treatment. Within the year, he said, you know, there's this new device that I'd really like to implant that I think will help us manage you better, and that's the CardioMEMS. He put it in the cath lab. They took me to a bed in the hospital for monitoring for, I think it was 6 or 8 hours. And then I picked up my equipment and went home. I love to work in my garden. I paint, I write. I just stay involved in life. I just love being alive. It's been a real peace-giving experience for me because I feel as though my physician knows what's happening with me. I have a very small monitor that I call my little dragonfly in my pulmonary artery, and that once a day I lie down on a pillow and the pillow talks to me and monitors, reads what the sensor is saying and sends that information to my doctor. It's just a very good communication device between me and my physician. If he's concerned about something, he could call me and say, could you do your CardioMEMS reading? I want to look at it. That's the real value of it, I think, that I don't have to be right there, that things don't have to get far out of control before we're able to pull back. It's been a real help with treatment planning and with making me feel safe and well cared for. Since I've had the CardioMEMS, I haven't been to an ER, and that's been very, very nice. For me, it has been a life-affirming experience. Once it's in, you sort of don't know it's there. It's not something that you ever feel. I guess I would put it in the class of an early warning system that says, hey, stop, something's going on, let's get back on path. It's been very life-affirming and refreshing for me, so I take it everywhere with me, and it's just changed my life.